Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cold brew coffee makers to find the absolute best one for you. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just looking to upgrade your morning routine, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated on all things coffee. Let's brew up some excellence together. Number 1. Takaya patented deluxe cold brew coffee maker with black lid airtight pitcher, a game changer in the world of homemade cold brew. Takaya has long been synonymous with quality and innovation, and this product doesn't disappoint. Its 2-quart capacity ensures you have enough delicious cold brew to last, while the airtight lid preserves freshness. The patented design guarantees a smooth, rich coffee concentrate every time, perfect for those who appreciate the finer notes of their brew. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or simply enjoy a refreshing cold brew on a hot day, the Takaya Cold Brew Coffee Maker delivers convenience and exceptional taste in every sip. Say goodbye to expensive cafe trips and hello to barista-quality cold brew right in your own home. Number 2. County Line Kitchen Cold Brew Coffee Maker, a game changer for coffee enthusiasts. Crafted with premium materials, this mason jar pitcher boasts a sturdy soda lime glass construction, complete with a stainless steel mesh filter and flip cap lid, ensuring durability and convenience. With a generous capacity of 64 ounces, 2 quarts/1.9 liters, it's perfect for brewing large batches of cold brew coffee or refreshing iced tea. Say goodbye to diluted beverages and hello to bold, flavorful drinks that stay fresh for days. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a casual coffee lover, elevate your brewing experience with the County Line Kitchen Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Number 3. Ovalware's airtight cold brew iced coffee maker pitcher, an iced tea maker, with spout, the RJ3 Brewing glass carafe with removable stainless steel filter. This sleek and innovative 1.5L/51 oz pitcher redefines the cold brew experience. Crafted with precision, its airtight seal ensures freshness and flavor preservation, while the removable stainless steel filter guarantees a smooth, sediment-free brew. The spout design allows for effortless pouring, making serving a breeze. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a tea enthusiast, this versatile pitcher delivers rich, flavorful beverages every time. Say goodbye to diluted, lackluster drinks and hello to the perfect brew with Ovalware's Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker pitcher. Number 4. Bodum Bean Cold Brew Coffee Maker and Iced Coffee Maker, a game changer for coffee enthusiasts. This sleek 51 ounces brewer combines simplicity with functionality, allowing you to effortlessly craft delicious cold brew and iced coffee at home. The durable borosilicate glass carafe ensures optimal flavor preservation while the stainless steel mesh filter ensures a smooth, sediment-free brew. Its large capacity means you can prepare enough coffee to last through those busy mornings or entertain guests with ease. The compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen, and the ergonomic handle makes pouring a breeze. Say goodbye to expensive cafe trips and hello to barista-quality cold brew right at your fingertips with the Bodum Bean Cold Brew Coffee Maker and Iced Coffee Maker. Number 5. Vinci Express Cold Brew, your ultimate solution for effortlessly crafting delicious cold brew coffee at home. With its innovative design, this electric cold brew coffee maker delivers your favorite chilled beverage in just 5 minutes flat, saving you time without compromising on flavor. Boasting 4 brew strength settings, you have complete control over the intensity of your brew, ensuring a personalized coffee experience every time. The convenient cleaning cycle makes maintenance a breeze, while the sleek glass carafe adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen counter. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or simply seeking a refreshing iced coffee fix, the Vinci Express Cold Brew is your go-to pitcher for smooth, flavorful cold brew creations. In conclusion, finding the best cold brew coffee maker boils down to personal preference and convenience. Whether you prioritize design, capacity, or simplicity, there's an option tailored for you. Experiment with different methods to discover your perfect brew. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video with fellow coffee enthusiasts.